Abby here, and today I am messing with some slime because I got this slime kit for Christmas, and I wanted to do it for you guys. So I actually have already done a slime kit that I got for Christmas, and let me show you that right now. I'll go get it and show you it. Yeah. Okay, so I got it, and this is it, and it's actually pretty hard to open. Like, I can't see how this is for kids because it's like super hard to open, but anyways, this is a slime. It has glitter in it. It's like super awesome. It's like blue, which is my favorite color, and it's actually a way prettier blue on camera than it is in real life, but it's still really pretty in real life. And I just dropped the can to it. Great! So, this is my slime that I made. So, I am going to make this slime, and I have a bowl right here because I'm prepared. So, let's get this opened, and it's actually pretty hard to open, so I'll pause the video real quick. So guys, I got all the ingredients out, and the first step says to do 25 milliliters of water in a cup. So I got this, and I need to get a full spoonful of the sodium terabyte. So it's not even, I need to get this spoon in there. By the way, I'm wearing a glove because you're not supposed to touch it. Okay, so I can't get that open anymore, so I'll just pour it. Ooh. Hold on. I'll be right back. Okay, so I had a little problem because I kind of like spilled a little on the table, so I had to clean that up, and I put a towel down. So this time I shouldn't get any. Yep, there we go. I didn't get any on my hand. It says I should pour it. Not right there. I'll just put that into the water. I think it needs to dissolve or something. I don't know. I just really don't want to touch it because I don't know what will happen. I just know it says that not to make contact, like put it in your eye or on your skin. So I'm not doing it because I'm very I think it says that will give you irritation, so we don't want that happening. I think that should be enough. Now let me read what else it says. Put that right there, and it says stir the solution with plastic spoon until the sodium terabyte dissolves. Set aside. Okay. So, got my glove, the one with my glove. So, wait until it dissolves. See when. I guess I'll pause it till it's dissolved, because otherwise you guys are gonna get bored. So guys, I got some measurements done. I ruined my cup, and because it said to put glue and water together, so I got some glue and I got some water, and I'm mixing it now. And actually, while I'm mixing this, might as well read the next part. Add 1 to 2 drops of blue dye and stir until evenly mixed. The more drops you add, the darker the color will be. Mix in half of the glitter. Okay, I'll do that. And I got some blue dye, and I am ready to go. So I might need a. I can't get it. I can't get the. Oh, here we go. Here I got it. I got it. So. There. That should be good. I added 2 drops. Should be good. This actually is better because you can control this more. When most dyes, it just goes straight in and just like when you want to put 1, it adds in 2. But this one, like, it doesn't do that. So I'm gonna mix this. Ooh, this is so pretty. And then it said mix in half of the glitter. So. I'm gonna need to go get some scissors. Okay, so I got it done. And it says mix in half of the glitter, so I'm gonna put some of the, like, half of the glitter here. That's a lot of glitter. Are you sure? Whatever. A little bit more. A little bit more. Okay, this should be good. I don't want to put too much glitter. So I'm going to mix this. I've been mixing so many things. Oh, that really isn't that much. Oh. Once you mix it in, it isn't actually that much glitter. Surprisingly. So I'm going to put this aside. What else does it say? Mix in half the glitter. Slowly pour the sodium terabyte solution into the glue solution. Stir until you get the right consistency and all the water is absorbed. Okay. I'll pour this in. Slowly. Pour a little bit of that. And then stir. I'm going to just pour in a little bit at a time and then stir. Okay, I think I need to add a little bit more. I don't want to touch it. This says you need adult supervision, but Mama said it's okay. So,
Mama's right here.
Yeah, and she's like literally right there. So, she's not like right here staring at me, but she's like, she's close enough. So, yeah, I'm a dude. Pour a little bit more in. Ooh, I don't know if that was too much. I don't know, but it says keep pouring until you get the right consistency. Ooh, it is sticky. It is really sticky. Is it supposed to be this sticky? I don't know. Hopefully. I'm gonna just pour in a little bit more. Like, it is really sticky though. I don't know why this is so sticky. Hopefully it's supposed to be this sticky. I don't know if it is. This does not smell very good. Let's see, let's pour it in. Okay. Hopefully I didn't touch any. And it says, I think, it says that you should wash your hands after playing with this every time you play with it because of we put sodium terabyte in it and Sodium Terabyte, you can't touch it with your skin because it could cause an irritation, I'm pretty sure. So, yeah, like skin irritation. So, yeah, that's why I don't want to touch it so much. And this is, yeah, I'm see you guys in a second because it's already been 10 minutes. So guys, I am making the purple bit now, and it's literally, if you want to get this kit, just be prepared for an endless cycle of stirring. Yeah! It's literally just an endless cycle of stirring. Ah, la la la. And hey guys, I'm back, and I'm doing my favorite part right now, the Sodium Terabyte, aka the part I don't like. I said favorite because I'm being sarcastic. I hate this. Because I got it on my skin, and after only like a second or two, I could already feel that, like, it hurt a little bit. But then I washed it off, and it was okay. So, yeah, I don't like this part. And it's really sticky, as you guys can tell. I can't get it off my spoon. I love this part. So guys, I mixed it all up, and it's pretty much a fail. It just kind of is a blob. I mean, it kind of feels like slime, but like otherwise it's this. It doesn't even look like Galaxy. It looks nothing like the package says. So, yeah, and hey, at least I got some free food coloring and blue and purple food coloring and some free sparkles or glitter. So, yeah, I also got some free glue out of it because I still have some glue left. But it does make a really good pokey sound. But I will keep this just in case over time it kind of gets like better. But otherwise, like, it's just like, it's actually getting better because I've been playing around with it, but it's not very stretchy at all. But makes a very good sound, but like, yeah, I'll just keep playing with it maybe, and like next time tell you if it's better. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and slap that notification bell to never miss an upload. And goodbye!